Hi everybody, Paul here. Today I want to show you the most common cause of an airbag light turning on in your vehicle and how to easily fix it. So stay tuned. So each time you start your vehicle, I'll start it now, the airbag light on the dashboard should turn on for a few seconds like you see here and then turn off. The reason it does this is because the engine control module, which is the vehicle's computer, is doing a diagnostic check on the airbag system. If the airbag light stays on after it's started, this means there's something wrong with the airbag system, which means none of the airbags will work if the vehicle is involved in an accident. The most common cause of an airbag light turning on is due to the airbag wiring harness found underneath the driver's seat or the front passenger seat, which is normally yellow in color. Here's the yellow wiring harness underneath the driver's seat. And here's the yellow wiring harness underneath the front passenger seat. These airbag wiring harnesses are prone to have connection problems due to moving the seat forward and backward. Storing a lot of stuff underneath the seat, accidentally hitting the wiring harness while vacuuming underneath the seat, or even removing the seat can also cause connection problems. I've even known of extremely bumpy roads to cause connection problems, again usually due to a lot of stuff being stored underneath the seat. So if your airbag light ever turns on before taking it to a repair shop and possibly having unnecessary repairs performed, costing you hundreds or maybe even thousands of dollars, try this first. With the key out of the ignition, simply wiggle and push in the airbag wiring harnesses underneath both seats to make sure you have a good solid electrical connection, and then restart the vehicle. You'd really be surprised by performing this little trick how often it turns off the airbag light when you go to restart the vehicle. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.